Hello fans, Chris with Get in the Van. I'm about to start my next project while the paint's drying on the roof for that plug that I replaced. We're going to be installing two CR Laurence universal bunk windows in the back of the van, one on each side. As you can see, they came very nice. They just pop out from the bottom, so they don't slide or anything. They just are pop out. I'm not sure what that's called, but I'm going to call it a pop out window. I've made a template here on the cardboard to get ready to cut the holes in the van. I'm kind of reluctant to cut any holes, but at some point I'm going to have to do it and bite the bullet. So I'm getting ready to do that. I might start the project tomorrow because it's getting kind of late in the afternoon here. You can see Bodie, he's already tired, and I guess I'm getting there too. So these projects are taking a little longer because I guess it's only myself, and setting up the camera takes a little time, but mostly it's just tedious work. It's not anything real difficult. I think the cutting the holes in the van is going to be a little more difficult, a little more of a pucker factor when it comes to doing that, but hopefully we'll have good success with the first one, and it'll just be all downhill from there. I'm gonna cut out the template now, get that ready for tomorrow, and if the weather's good, we'll be cutting our first holes. All right, we got the template. I modified it a little bit from the original cutout just so it wasn't as big. I cut out a little hole to go over the handle that opens the window, slipped it on just to check the fit, and looks like we got a good template for this window. Hopefully the hole will be just right, but I'm erring on the side of a little small so I could, file a little extra. Here comes Bodie. How's it going, Bodie? Obviously I don't want to cut it too big. I know some people have said, leave it a little big so you can have a little play with it, but yeah, I'm not risking making too big of a hole. So I'll go back and make the hole bigger if I have to, but I'm going with smaller is better, which is not usually the case, but for this I think it is. So we're gonna get the template lined up and marked up on the van, and then like I said, tomorrow we'll get a cut and we'll make a video of that for you. All right, talk to you later. And thanks again, Brendan at OutdoorsyDad77 in the future.com, but for now just on Instagram. He's got a new Cricut machine. He's making stickers, he's making t-shirts, all kinds of stuff, stuff for Halloween, making pumpkins. So whatever you need, hit him up. He's super crafty, and proud to say he's my friend. And thanks a lot for the shirt. It's under here. I was getting a little cold, so I put a shirt over it. So sorry about that, but I think I represented it well early in the videos. Hi to P, Bubba. I love you guys. There's Bodie, one of our many dogs, one of our rescues. Somewhere around here, Gracie is floating around. But it's September 26th, 2020. Go Bills. Hello again. So decided to do some late night work in preparation for tomorrow's bunk window cutting. And I got this 1/4-inch PVC board from Home Depot. I was looking at a couple of videos on other people's installations of the bunk windows, and I think it's Looking for Fresh Air, Billy on there. He had a window trim ring, almost like a gasket that he used on the inside of the window, and I thought that was a good idea. These windows didn't come with any kind of instructions, so just kind of going from what other people did. Some people didn't use them. Some people had the flush mounted windows. Some people have the curved windows. These are just flat, flush mounted. So I'm gonna go with making this little ring for the inside to kind of help press it up against the skin of the van a little better. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna cut it out with a jigsaw, using a thin metal blade, same as I'll use tomorrow to cut into the van. So we'll see how this goes. I'll make 2 of these tonight and do a couple other things to get ready for tomorrow, but I thought I'd document this little process.